If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tamika. I'm here with a quick gift wrap idea, a little quick craft. Doesn't necessarily have to be for Christmas, but that's what this is for since 'tis is the season. So you're going to need some storage bags. That's not for the gift. That's just for because we need it. And then I'm going to use this super stacker. They have the gift boxes that are shaped like this and the top comes off at the Dollar Tree in like gold, red, silver, and blue. They had none. So shake it up a little bit, do a little quick pivot. This we're going to use Dollar Tree. You can use Pringles too if you have that in your cabinet. So actually what I'm giving is a gift card and a t-shirt to make it extra snazzy. So this gift card is from Five Below, and this is what I'll be gifting as well. This is I bought me one too, y'all. But this is one of the gifts, and it's just a Whitney Houston, not just, but it's a Whitney Houston t-shirt. This is $5.55 at Five Below. And then I also have I'm gonna keep that on here because I know she could fit this medium or small, but she may want a large, so I'm just gonna keep that. They didn't have any larges, so we're going with the medium. And then I have her gift card, which if she wants to return that or exchange it, I have the receipt, and then the gift is the gift card with the t-shirt to add to it. So I'm going to leave this on. So to prep for that, and of course you need some wrapping paper and bowl or whatever you're going to use to decorate your can. And I'm pretty sure you've seen this and you know where I'm going with this. So I actually like these chips. They have them in a spicy chili too. And I buy these all the time. What I do with them is I put my projects in them. My regular craft projects that I've done and I want to keep it together. If there's like some extras or something left over, I label them and put them in one of these bags because a 12 by 12 can fit in here. So little tip. But I'm going to eat these chips, but I didn't want to go and get any extra bags. So you really only need a tiny little sandwich bag for that. Let me just grab one and make sure they're fresh. So just so you know, like this is like a leftover digital kit that I have, and I'm able to keep all of the die cuts and things that I do with them. So that's just another quick idea that you can use that for. And then we're going to take off any extra bits that are on here. Okay. And then we're going to wipe this out with either, just wipe it out. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this in the Dollar Tree, but they are absolutely awesome. They're peppermint and sage. These are multi-surface cleaning wipes. They also have the dishwasher liquid in the hand soap. It smells really good. So I'm just going to wipe this out, and just to get down in there, unless you have a baby bottle brush, just use my little ruler here. We're going to take the shirt and we're going to roll it up. We're going to fold it and roll it. Okay, got to fold it over, and I'm going to fold this down just a little shorter, like halfway. Make everything as flat as possible. I'm going to grab some twine, again from the Dollar Tree. This stuff comes in handy. And I have my card there, but I'm going to secure this shirt and the gift card together. And because every time Christmas happens, she loves Nutella. So every time Christmas happens, I get her a little jar of that Nutella. It's just $1, and it's so cute and adorable. It is so adorable. And little glass jars are cute. You're ready to pop this in there. Perfect. Nutella on top. Put the lid on. Now I'm going to put a little piece of tape just to secure it, just so when she opens it, it just doesn't pop out. Okay, and then we just wrap it. Little tip: if you're giving this to someone special, they will appreciate wrapping paper. Be sure to wrap the can first. And yes, big long rolls of wrapping paper. From where? Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree DIY. $5, $1. Now you can do one or two things. You can fold this up and make it neat and put it on a bow, or you can make it like a little nutcracker thing, which is what I'm going to do. Some ribbon and just tie it around. Into a knot. You just need a little piece here. Cut off a little bit of the extra. Repeat on the other side. Feel free to pop a little bow on there. I'm not even going to tell you guys where I got this from, because at this point you should already know. Pop a little bow, and then however you're going to put your tag on. You can put it up here, your to from. I'm actually going to put my to from on here. There we go. There's your quick idea. Hope you guys like it, and we'll try it. Happy holidays.